Do you dream of becoming a writer but don't know where to start? Writing can change your life, and the best part? Anyone can do it. In this video, I'll share 6 simple steps to help you start your writing journey today. In today's digital world, becoming a writer is easier than ever. Whether you want to write blogs, books, or creative stories, these 6 steps will help you master writing and build your audience. Great writers are great readers. Reading books helps you improve vocabulary, storytelling, and creativity. Explore different genres like fiction, nonfiction, and self-help books. The more you read, the better you write. Learn from expert authors to develop your unique style. Want to write online? Start reading blogs. Unlike books, blogs are short, engaging, and conversational. Read blogs on different topics: lifestyle, tech, personal growth. Observe how successful blogs keep readers engaged. Writing is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. Write daily, even if it's just 15 minutes. Try different formats: journals, blogs, short stories. Don't aim for perfection. Focus on progress. Just keep writing. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Not sure what to write about? Choose a niche. Do you love tech, travel, wellness? Focusing on a specific topic helps you attract the right audience and become an expert in that field. Writers need visibility. Create a blog, share your work on social media, and engage with other writers. The more you share, the faster you grow. Create a blog or portfolio website. Use social media, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, to promote content. Engage with writing communities and forums. Writing is an art and a craft. Edit and refine your writing using tools like Grammarly and Hemingway. Practice self-editing and join writing communities to get feedback. Take online writing courses for advanced skills. Great writing takes effort, but it's worth it. Writing is a superpower. Writing improves communication and critical thinking, helps students perform better academically. Good writing means better grades and confidence in expressing ideas. A great skill for personal growth and career success. Every writer's journey begins with a single word. Start today. Read a book, write a blog, or brainstorm new ideas. Keep writing, keep growing, and let your words make an impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on writing and creativity. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.